the company started in June of 1989. There's three of us that started the company, and on Evergreen Drive in Portland, Maine. We were there until 1991. We had a Bridgeport and a mill. It was like a 2,500 square foot garage, basically. I can remember days starting at 5 in the morning and ending up at 1 in the morning. Well, Don Paul Sr. was the founder of Mega Industries. Don was kind of pushed by customers to start Mega Industries.
Mega's components are seen all over the world. Places like the Large Hadron Collider at CERN, European Spallation Source up in Lund, Sweden, the Stanford Linear Accelerator out in California. All of these places use Mega components to push the envelope on how we know what particles exist in the world.
I know that Mega is a world-class manufacturing facility. I see it every time I go visit a customer. On my last trip, we went to Sweden, to ESS, to the build, where they're still constructing, but there's already Mega components in place. And then we went from there to the UK to do different research facilities that had Mega components in place, some which have been there for decades. And they're looking to us to help them with new goals and new projects and new ideas to how to accomplish the things they're looking to do. And so I think that no matter where you go in the world, within certain industries, you're going to find that everybody knows who Mega is.
Here at Mega, we have a great culture on our floor of open communication and teamwork. We bring our folks together once a week to communicate with them issues that we have on the floor, both good and bad, so everyone understands the impact that they have on our products. No matter how big or small, they realize that everyone is in on making a good quality product and solving problems.
Mega's keeping up with the industry and the world by investing in new techniques, new software, and new hardware to be able to make what we make. We are bringing in things like analysis software that can do 3D modeling and structural analysis, RF analysis so that we can actually do models and then make sure that they're going to work when we put them into practice, and then things like actual 3D manufacturing where we're doing additive manufacturing rather than the conventional machining and tooling.
Here at Mega, we've been working on an apprentice program to teach the younger generation the tribal knowledge and skills that we need to keep making Waveguide and RF solutions into the future. We do this by hiring kids right out of high school, college degrees, and teaming them up with our senior staff, most of which are probably within 10 years of retirement. And it allows us to get that tribal knowledge transferred to the younger generation who has newer skills, newer technology, with the older generation who's more hands-on and skilled-oriented.
I've been at Mega for 6 years. In that time, I kind of started off as administrative assistant to the CEO and have progressed from there to administrative manager to now project and administrative manager, so I'm still wearing both hats. And one of the things that's kept me here is the people, of course. You know, we have a great team here and the continual movement forward. Not just growth, but in the way that we do business. We've had a lot of change and we're kind of moving forward and progressing, and that keeps it interesting and makes it feel like we have that longevity.
I'm very confident that we can handle almost anything. We've proven it over the years that we can adapt to what their requirements are changing to, and we've shown that we've delivered many components that are really second to none in the world. It's a very specific niche market, but we know that market very well, and our engineering team can handle any problem that comes our way.